PSNA College of Engineering and Technology. The vision of the college is to provide world-class engineering education for individuals to become technologically superior, socially conscious and responsible citizens for the welfare of mankind. The mission of the college is to achieve academic excellence by imparting knowledge and skills through problem solving, practical training, and design and development of innovative projects. To develop leadership and interdisciplinary team skills through effective communication training and inculcating ethical behavior. To carry out applied research in engineering and technology and facilitate lifelong learning. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. User is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered are Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Civil Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and Computer Science and Business Systems. Cut-off marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 180 to 187, for BCM 174 to 184, for BC 175 to 185, for MBC 165 to 180, for SC 111 to 166. Facilities are library, which has 97,338 volumes of books on 40,348 titles, covering all disciplines of engineering and technology, science and humanities, and management studies. The library has a collection of 5,849 back volumes of journals and magazines and 14,142 non-book materials, which includes educational-oriented CDs, audio-video cassettes, NPTEL videos, e-books, and monographs. It has a collection of 9,393 question papers exam conducted by Anna University previous years. The library subscribes more than 2,354 scholarly journals under AICTE INDEST consortium. Library provides online access to large number of full-text journals from IEEE, ASME, ACE, and JGATE. Apart from e-journals, the library subscribed to 122 print versions of journals from various publishers. Sports and games have played an important role in evolution of PSNA CET. And now, when PSNA CET have completed 31 years of academic life, sports in PSNA CET can definitely claim a fair share in the progress of institution. College has excellent state-of-art infrastructure for sports and provides professional coaching in sports to students. Over the years, PSNA has invested in sports considerably so that today it can be proud of not only having excellent sport facilities but also produced sportsmen of higher caliber. And the other facilities are transport, Wi-Fi, computing and clubs. Placement for 2020 batch: 88 companies visited, 1,031 total offers, 155 internships for UG and PG, and 5 offers for 10 lakhs per annum, 3 offers for 6.5 to 7 lakhs per annum, and 27 offers for 6 lakhs per annum. And the major recruiters are Cognizant, IBM, Zoho, Zepho, Value Labs, Atos Syntel, Byju's Learning App, Aspire Systems, Wipro, GMAX, Infoview, Tata Consultancy Services, CSS Corp, Value Labs, Infogain, and many more. Students with 1 offer is 465, students with 2 offers 173, students with 3 offers 41, 4 offers 20, and students with 5 offers 2, and students with 7 offers 1. 90% students placed in the year 2019-2020, and the highest salary package is rupees 10 lakhs per annum. Result comparison from 2014 to 2018: 74% in 2014, 65 in 2015, 75 in 2016, 68 in 2017, and 54 in 2018. College counseling code is 5910. Contact college at 0451 255 4032, 255 4349, 255 4401, 255 4402. Website is www.psnacet.edu.in. College is located in Kothandaraman Nagar, Dindigul 624622, Tamil Nadu. Mail ID is contact@psnacet.edu.in.